Sportsman's Table is brought to you by the South Carolina Department of Agriculture. Whether you live in South Carolina or out of state, be sure to buy South Carolina grown meats, vegetables, and fruits. Make sure your food is South Carolina certified. It's a matter of taste.
Joining me today from the City Center Market in Florence, South Carolina is Vondell Brockington with Jazz on Dargan. I tell you what, this recipe is going to be a first, and I know you all are going to enjoy it. Vondell, let's talk about this great. I see collards over there, okay?
Yes,
Tell me what we're making.
We're making our version of a collard green egg roll.
Okay.
Our ingredients are collard greens, black-eyed peas, cream cheese, egg for egg wash, and this is our season that we use to season our collard greens with.
Oh,
It's
okay.
seasoning salt.
I got you.
All right.
Okay. Now, I'm holding the pan here with some hot oil, okay? Because I don't want it to get too hot.
There you go. You know, I set that down. We're going to turn the oil down.
Okay.
All right.
All right, there we go.
Okay.
All right, there we go. What's first?
First, after you mix all these things together, because all you have to do is get a mixing bowl like so,
Right.
and mix the black-eyed peas, collard greens, and the cream cheese, and it makes a little mixture, something like that.
Oh, okay. So it's real simple.
It's real simple.
I got you.
And what we're going to do is put it in the egg roll right fast. So what we're going to do is coat the egg roll on the edges. Put that little bit of egg, helps it stick. Stick that in there. Oh, that's going to help.
That must be an
There we go.
Asian Oriental secret.
Oh. Egg rolls, use eggs? Who would know that? Who would know that? Who would know that? All right, I'm going to take a little handful, a generous handful.
Okay.
However you enjoy this, you can make it as big as you like. I'm just going to make a little one.
I got you.
I'm going to take the corners, fold both sides, make sure I get a good little seal.
Oh, yeah.
I'm going to tuck and roll.
Okay. And folks, for a copy of Vondell's recipe.
This is egg roll.
Oh, looky there. Okay. You want to make one or you want to make two?
You want to see me make two?
Yeah, let's do it again.
Let's do it again. So
Yeah.
do one more.
Okay.
Like I said, a generous amount, however you feel. I'm going to coat it with the egg.
Okay.
This is going into the recipe.
Yeah.
All the little debris of collard
Now,
green.
I have to ask you while you're making this thing, you guys do jazz at Dargan. When do
Right.
you do that?
We usually do it during our opening days, Thursday through Sunday.
Okay.
Sunday we have a one-man band that's always there by himself.
Really?
And so, yeah, we always have live music. And if not anybody live playing, we're playing it over the speakers.
Oh, my goodness. Now, do you play?
I do not play.
Oh, you don't?
I'm a fan, though. I'm a very big fan.
Oh, okay. All right. Okay.
I'm a supporter.
Well, I'm a drummer myself, so I played jazz band years ago. Okay. So, now, what's next?
All we have to do is drop it in this oil right here.
Oh,
Get a
my
nice
goodness.
little coat.
Now, how long are we going to do that for?
Well, you just want to make it golden brown. So you just continue to turn the egg roll until you see it's golden brown.
I got you.
People like a hard cut texture. Some people like a soft texture. It's only your preference. So
Okay.
most of the time I like them nice and golden brown.
All right. Okay. Vondell, these look like they're awesome. They ready?
They are done.
All right. So I'm ready to plate these things.
All right, so what I'm going to do is make sure you don't have any grease on them. I like to always cut in the angle.
Okay.
Take your knife down.
Oh,
Just
yeah.
follow through and get a nice little connection
Oh,
of there. I
goodness.
like to plate those like that.
Oh, look at the steam coming off those, too.
This one. That's a good hot one. I like to cut the hot
Now,
one.
is this a kind of is this a main dish at the restaurant, or is this
Actually,
an appetizer?
People come and order just this.
Really? No
And
kidding.
we serve it with Korean barbecue sauce.
Oh, wow.
And the plates. with
Look at
a little
that.
parsley. And it's our collard green egg roll. And it's delicious.
It is. No, I got to tell you, thank you so much for being a guest on the show. And folks, if you would like to experience more great food in Florence, South Carolina, I tell you what, just like we had today on the Sportsman's Table, come on down. And remember, log on to CertifiedSCGrown.com and see what's fresh on the menu for yourself. We'll be right back here again next week with another great recipe on the Sportsman's Table.
To find out more information on food that's fresher and tastier, go online at CertifiedSCGrown.com. Buy certified South Carolina grown products. It's a matter of taste.